Welcome back, viewers. In our previous video, we explored the first part of Sarojini Naidu's poem, The Bangle Sellers. Now, get ready to understand the second stanza. Now, this poem has four stanzas, and each depict the tradition of wearing different types of bangles at the different stages of the womanhood. Now, the second stanza is particularly focusing on the bangles which are suitable for a maiden's wrist. A maiden means young girl. These include the blue and silver colored bangles, like the blue and silver mist on mountains, shades of pink, of yet to blossom flowers, or the clear dewdrop on newborn leaves. Now, these blossom flowers which are yet to blossom, the buds of the flowers, and the newborn leaves are actually the symbolic representation of the young unmarried girl. And these are showing the freshness and the beauty of these young maidens. So the second stanza starts like this. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the buds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with a bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Here, flushed means glowing, tranquil means quiet and peaceful. The woodland word means land covered with trees and bushes. Bloom means the flower. And limpid is clear and transparent. Newborn leaves refer to the freshness of unmarried girls. Now, let us start the meaning. The description in second stanza of the poem is truly captivating. Each line paints a beautiful image in our minds. Now let us break down each line and discuss what the poet is trying to convey to us. So the first line, if you see this image, and this is a image of a young woman's hand adorned with delicate silver and blue bangles shining in the sunlight. So here the poet says, "Some are meet for a maiden's wrist." What does it mean? It means that some bangles are perfectly suitable for young woman's wrist. Next line, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Now, the bangles that are fit for the girls, the young girls' wrists, have been compared through a simile with mountain mist, which is silver and blue in its hue. Where the line where we say silver and blue as the mountain mist, this as is used for a simile. So here, if you see this image, children, it's a serene landscape of mountains with mist rolling over the peaks, showcasing the silver and blue tone of the scenery. And how beautifully Sarojini Naidu is comparing the bangles that are fit for maiden's wrist with this color that is gracing the mountain mist. Next line is, some are flushed like the birds that dream. So here, the poet employs a simile to describe certain bangles, likening them to flushed birds or glowing birds that dream on the quiet and peaceful atmosphere, reflecting the beauty of nature. Next line is, on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Now, this line, on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. If you see these images, what do you observe? The flower birds, delicate flower birds, are floating near the stream. They are blooming near the stream. So the poet is comparing the delicacy and the beauty of the bangles with the flower birds that are flowing near the woodland stream. Woodland stream is a place that is filled with trees and plants. That is called woodland stream. And stream is the water flowing through this forest. Now, this all reflects the beauty of nature. So, the bangles are being compared with the beautiful nature around us. And this imagery captures the delicate nature of these bangles, because these bangles are suitable for maiden's wrist, that is, young girls' wrist, the unmarried girls who are fresh, who are young. So, this is emphasizing on the tenderness and the dreamlike quality of these bangles. So, it also suggests that the bangles possess a serene beauty that resonates with the calmness of the nature. If you see these images, how serene and calm nature it is reflecting. So here these bangles, which are specifically for the young girls, are being compared with glowing birds near the woodland stream. Next, some are aglow with the light that cleaves. In this line, Sarojini Naidu uses metaphorical language to depict bangles that radiate a captivating glow. Now look at this image, how these lines are exactly reflecting what the poet wants to convey to us. The light that is radiating there is being compared with the light that the bangles are radiating. Next line, to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Now, here, the continuation of the first line, the bangles are described as aglow with light that cleaves to the limpid. Limpid means clear and transparent glory of newborn leaves. So, this imagery suggests that the bangles possess a radiant and fresh appeal, symbolizing the beauty and vitality of new beginnings. So in this stanza, some of the bangles are like the buds that are going to bloom on a woodland stream, while some are like the glowing flowers that add to the glory of newborn leaves. All these colorful mist-like, bud-like, flower-like bangles are suitable for unmarried young girls. Now let us revise the meaning of second stanza. So in the second stanza, the bangle sellers give an account of the bangles suitable for maiden's wrist. Maiden means a young girl. They say that silver and blue colored bangles, which are like the mist of a mountain, will suit her. Who? These young girls. This suggests the blooming beauty of her growing age. Some of the bangles are like the buds that are going to bloom on a woodland stream. They are floating near a stream that is in forest. Woodland is forest. While some are like the glowing flowers that add to the glory of newborn leaves. What is the meaning of newborn leaves here? The young girls. All these colorful, mist-like, bud-like, and flower-like bangles are suitable for the unmarried girls. So here, this stanza is completing, and notice that this entire stanza has a lot of similes because the bangle sellers are comparing their bangles to different objects in the nature. Thank you viewers for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.